Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with General Romulus. That's me, Romulus. And this show is sponsored by Backpack Trader. Our goal, help you become the best version of the backpack trader that you can be. Here's an ancient Roman trading secret. Avoid losing lots of money in the stock market. Well, that may sound a little rudimentary and kind of basic. Perhaps you're chuckling and saying, Romulus, you've lost your old Roman sauce. Perhaps. However, somebody owns this stock called Upstart. I don't. My Centurions don't. But somebody does. And somebody bought it up here at $400 a share. And it's now downstart. This stock dropping 50% just today after, I guess, bad earnings last night. Let's check them out. Well, they beat the estimate by 15%. They beat the revenue by 3%. And that's what you get for doing good business? A 50% haircut? Woo! Here's another one that got taken out for a ride. Peloton. Peloton, boy, about a year ago, your old buddy Romulus over here was prognosticating and predicting that by the end of the summer or early fall, every street corner in America's garbage day would have Peloton bikes littering the corners. And while that didn't happen absolutely, but it did happen figuratively. Here's another stock. This one's getting absolutely bombed today. They just couldn't make it up the hill any further. 25% drop after their earnings yesterday. Let's check those out. Well, they missed across the board horrendously. But still, stock is getting crushed after getting crushed after getting crushed. I mean, look at this one-day drop over here, 35%. That's a harbinger for more things to come when you start to see drops like that. And here's a stock. Hang on a second. Netflix ran out of popcorn and, well, the giant gulp sodas. This stock dropped 35% in that one day a few weeks ago after their earnings come out. These could be happening more and more often in the companies that were just the big favorites across the board, even though we have very oversold conditions in the stock market, setting a stage for a possible rebound rally beyond just a one-day type of a bump. Do you realize that Peloton and Upstart are down over 90% from their all-time highs? 90%. I don't know how they survive this in the long term. Short term, they'll be around, but 5, 10, 15 years from now, it's unlikely that these companies are still going to be around. And that's likely to happen to more and more of these companies that have been getting smashed lately beyond all recognition, starting with companies like Peloton, which had such a great run post-COVID. Upstart, I'm assuming they got boosted for some type of a COVID reason as well. I don't know what they do, but they got boosted for some type of a COVID reason as well. And it's spreading out there to more and more of these SPAC type of companies that came public a year and a half ago in the SPAC craze, companies that came public or started doing well right after COVID, and it goes on and on from there. Speaking of Roman trading secrets and not losing money, Bitcoin, the largest of the cryptocurrencies out there, started getting clobbered. Go look at the video I posted last Thursday. The title of that video is "The Bear Ate Your Lunch." There's a picture of a dead cat bouncing from that one due to the Wednesday afternoon post-Fed meeting release where the market went back up 1,000 points. Obviously, that was nothing more than a dead cat bounce. And there was a comment in there about Bitcoin cracking below these lows in here, setting the stage up for much lower prices. And bam, bam, bam. Today, low below 30,000. Is it now completely out of the ballpark and unreasonable to expect that Bitcoin can fall to my 20,000 target over the course of the next 12 months? I've had a target on that one for quite some time, really since way up here. Is that strange? Is that ridiculous? Is it crazy? I mean, the crypto dropped below 30,000 today. That's more than half of where it was back in November. Now, it could still take a while. That's the thing. But over the course of the next 12 months, this thing should see 20,000 without too much difficulty. A question that comes up an awful lot is how much lower can this market go? How much longer can this bear market last? Those aren't the right questions, everybody. Those are the wrong questions. The right questions you need to ask yourself right now is, are you protected for however long this bear market wants to last? And are you taken care of for how much lower it wants to go regardless? There's different bear market timeframes. Average is about 14 months with a loss on the S&P 500 of roughly 34%. Quite a way from here in terms of time frame and percentage loss. As of now, that means the S&P 500 has lost about half of the bear market total, but it still has several months to go. There's a lot of indications to suggest that we haven't seen the selling climax capitulation style move to the downside that is really necessary to wring out all that supply to create an environment for a new up movement that could last several months or perhaps even several years. We could have a while to go here. So it could be a while. Take your time, be patient, keep checking in with us, your old buddy Romulus. That's right. Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with me, General Romulus. We'll be here every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday on your local YouTube listing, everybody. Okay, that's all I've got for today. I'm heading back to Rome. I've got a chariot race that I'm actually going to be participating in, not just watching this time. They get a little bit crazy out there, but you know, the springtime brings out the best in all of us, and the horses are ready and raring to go. I'll be back again tomorrow with Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with me, General Romulus. That's all for now.